Hey everybody, my name's Chad Enyart with Keystone RV Company. I'm here with Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska, and we're going to check out the Cougar half-ton travel trailer. For those of you that don't know, Cougar is made by Keystone RV Company. It is one of the top-selling travel trailers and fifth wheels in all of North America and has been for almost 20 years now. Some cool little features on it. First, we have an awesome fiberglass front cap. We do that with automotive paint, and we do it with automotive clear coat. So it is part of our 3-year warranty against any fading or cracking. One of our biggest features that we do on the Cougar travel trailer is we have auto leveling standard. So makes it super easy. All you have to do, press the auto level button, and it will level that coach front to back and side to side. So you can basically set this whole camper up with one hand, maybe a beer in the other. So over here, you have your power awning, all push button, just like everything else with your slides and the lights and everything else, super easy to set up. Over here, we have our step above entry steps. These things are wonderful. It's the most solid step that we've ever come out with in RVs. Extra large grab handle, so it's easy to get in and out of the coach. These things are really cool. All you do is lift them up, they're real lightweight, and they go right in the coach just like this. When you're ready to bring them out, pull the latch, bring them down. Your legs are adjustable, so if you're on uneven ground, you can set one longer than the other to make sure that it sits level. Over here, you've got aluminum rims. Actually, our aluminum rims come with a lifetime warranty. Radial tires, E-rated, so they're 10 ply. Over here, a couple neat little features on our rear wall. First things, our rear wall is actually a double framed, double insulated rear wall. So we do a traditional framed wall on the back so that we can run our wiring in there and we can put electrical outlets on our back wall. But then on top of that, we actually put a laminated wall on the back to give it that added strength. So you can sit there and hit that thing, nothing's going to happen to it. Our tail lights are something completely different. Most other manufacturers use all red in their tail lights, so when you put it in reverse, nobody knows that you're in reverse. If you have a backup camera and you're backing up at night, the red lights just don't light it up very well and it's hard to see. So we have actually incorporated white lights into our tail lights. When you put it in reverse, the white lights come on, lets everybody know that you're in reverse. And when you're backing up at night, if you have your backup camera, it lights up the whole area so you can see everything behind you. We also do a 2-inch receiver hitch down here, as you can see. That 2-inch receiver hitch has a 300-pound carrying capacity and a 3,000-pound towing capacity. So great for bike racks, put the kayaks back there, the mother-in-law, you know, whatever you want to do. So that's some cool things on the outside. Let's come on in and check out the inside. This is our 29Fkd. So this is a front kitchen travel trailer. This is something that you don't find out there very often. Pretty unique floor plan. Front kitchens have been around for a long, long time, and one of the biggest benefits to them is that they give you tons and tons of countertop up front, so you got a lot of cooking prep space. And then also the bedroom is in the back, and a lot of times when you pull into your campgrounds, the front of your trailer is right up by the road. So it's nice having that bathroom in the or that bedroom in the back because it's nice and quiet and peaceful. Up here, we do all seamless countertops. This is all a pressed countertop. There's no seams or T-molding in this, so if you spill water, no big deal. We got the stainless steel sink here, double basin, so that you can wash, rinse, and dry. The ovens nowadays, they have come a long way with the ovens. Nice big oven here. It's a 21-inch oven, and it is self-lighting, so you don't have to get on your hands and knees and blow your eyebrows off every time you want to light it. We also have a glass top, and we have cast iron grates right here, not the old little bars that would go across. You have an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. So nice big fridge, nice big freezer. So again, this is in our half-ton series. So big fridge there. Come over here, got the booth dinette. This drops down, makes a bed. This will come and sit here on the cleats, and you take these 2 cushions, put them here, and that will form a bed. You also have another bed right here. This is a trifold sofa. So you'll take the cushions off. That just lifts up and that will fold out and make a bed. And it is actually a memory foam mattress. So super comfortable. So you can sleep the kids, you can sleep grandkids, another couple if they want to come. Fireplace over here underneath the TV. A lot of people think the fireplace is just for looks, but it's not. It is actually a 5,500 BTU electric heater. So if you're at a campground, you paid your nightly fee, it includes water, electric, and everything else. That's actually free heat. So you can heat your coach and not use up your propane. So that's a really, really cool feature. We also have a 4K TV. This is a 50-inch HD TV. It's a smart TV, and we do the 4K. We also do another thing that we actually invented at Keystone, which is called Key TV. So one of the big frustrating things for people is, trying to hook up their cable, their satellite, get channels over the antenna. The picture quality is terrible, and it's just a pain. So our engineers at Keystone actually developed Key TV. And what we were able to do is take out all the splitters, and we took out all the jumpers, and we actually took out about half the coax out of the unit. On average, we took out 110 feet of coax. So just a crazy amount that we were able to clean up and just make a much more efficient system. They're all home run lines going right to each TV setup. So your picture quality is way better. It's a lot easier to set up, and you don't have that frustration that sometimes you get with the competitors out there. Let's take a look at the bathroom. You got a nice walk-in shower here. I'm about 6 foot tall and about maybe 140 pounds. Just kidding. I actually fit in this shower nice. I can get in here, I can take a nice shower, plenty of hot water, move around. Nice big sink right here. I'll get out of the way. Huge sink. That's something that's unique for Cougar. A lot of them will use that small sink, and they actually use a real tiny faucet here. So to be able to brush your teeth, wash your hands and everything, it's just a pain. So we actually extend the faucet clear out so it's easier to do that, and we give you a huge medicine cabinet. As far as the toilet goes, it is a porcelain foot flush toilet. So we don't use any plastic toilets. We upgrade it standard with a nice porcelain toilet. So let's go on into the bedroom. This is such a great part of this floor plan. So you get that nice big huge front kitchen, tons of countertop space, like I said, lots of good storage, and then you have this massive big bedroom. So it's so nice to have a travel trailer that when you get out of the shower, you can actually come into the bedroom and get dressed. A lot of times the bedrooms are so tiny that you got to be a contortionist to try and get dressed. So this gives you a ton of space. Got a nice big king bed here. We even give you storage underneath the bed. So you can see here, we actually, it's on the struts here. So you've got the storage inside here, and then we actually cut it off halfway, and the storage on the other part of the bed is all outside storage. So we just want to give you that extra bit too, as well as your pass-through storage up front. Back here, you've got a nice big huge closet. So got a shelf up here, got the clothes bar going across, you got your 2 sliding doors. On top of that, we give you the nice big dressers here with the 4 drawers. TV will sit here. You got some overhead cabinets up here. So I like to call this the hers and hers wardrobe. So that's, in a nutshell, the 29Fkd Cougar. Again, I'm Chad Enyart here with Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska. We'd love to have you come on out and check this puppy out. Have a good day.